Step one, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step two, get some good, some food in you. Step three, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step four, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good
Good morning, mahal.
Good morning, mahal. Jeep. Jeep. Parang jeep eh. Jeep.
Yan, good morning,
Yan.
everyone. Alright, sige, go
Yan.
ahead, mahal. Go ahead muna sa gagawin mo. I'll just, Alright, so good
Okay, okay. Sige,
morning
sige.
and welcome to Mornings with Vince and Ira. And sana ay nakapag-breakfast na lahat and sana maganda ang pagising nyo this morning, no? So, for today, pag-uusapan natin yung how do we make our day significant. So, what's up naman today, mga ka-mornings? And sana'y may matutunan na naman kayo today. For those who haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel and then please click the like and share button and click the notification bell so that you'll be notified sa next naming live. So today we'd like our viewers and also for us din to start something na kumbaga it's a first, no? For us to have a significant day, simulan natin yung araw natin ng pagpaplano kung ano bang gagawin natin today na medyo it's a first for us, a first time, no? For us to have a significant thing, kailangan first time siya na gagawin. Meaning, we are going out, we're getting out of our comfort zone, getting out of our bubble, no? Trying to do something uncomfortable, kumbaga, no? Being
Mhm.
significant, it doesn't, it means positive significance, no? Kasi baka sabihin nila, significant din naman kung mangaway ka ng tao ngayon. Kung meron kang gagawin hindi maganda kasi naiinis ka, no? It's significant din naman, no? But what we're trying to do here is to encourage you guys to make something significant today na pagdating ng next year at the same time, same day today, sa next year, maalala natin, last year pala, this was the day nung una kong ginawa or nung first time kong sinabi etong bagay na to. So, it makes that day a significant day. So, let's try to start today, no? And probably you can do this again tomorrow and the next day and the next day. And before you know it, you are already a better person, no? Your life is already better because
Mhm.
nga every day you're making it something significant, something positive for you to
Mhm.
be a better person,
Mhm.
or kahit building a better relationship, doing something significant today with your friends, your family, or
Mhm.
kahit doon sa workplace mo. Or kahit nga sa pets mo, no? You do something
Mhm.
significant today. Probably, you can do something na celebrating the life of your pet, no? You'll buy them,
Mhm.
yung meron ng mga dog cakes ngayon pwede mo salabilan nun, or you can
Uh-huh.
have them groom, or you groom them yourselves,
Mhm.
so that's the first time for you to groom your dog or your cat, ganyan, no? So, it's
Mhm.
something significant then.
Yan.
So, ikaw, mahal, how will you celebrate
Well,
today, and how
how
will
will
you make
I
today a
celebrate
significant
my
day?
okay.
Ano bang, what's up
Siguro,
with you today?
siguro magkaroon lang ng specific goal na gusto natin i-accomplish sa araw na 'to, 'no? Whether it will be, sabihin na natin na related sa work or personal development or even sa relationship, 'no? siguro, oh, pinakamaganda usually kasi 'pag yung routine mo, pare-pareho, pattern lang, nakaka-burnout kasi yun, eh. So, para wag kang ma-burnout sa araw na 'to and make your day worthwhile and significant, kailangan i-break mo o mag-break ka sa or break out sa daily routine natin, no, or yung nga sinasabi na labas muna tayo sa ating comfort zone and try to do something na hindi natin ginagawa before,
Mm.
'di ba? You try to explore, 'di ba? Maybe adapting a new hobby, maybe kung magaling kayo magluto, new recipe or
Mm.
other activities na hindi niyo pa nagagawa. So yun, dapat try natin yun. Also, how to make yourself significant is make a sinabi mo na rin na to make a positive impact on someone's life, 'di ba? Paano ba 'yun? Tumulong tayo, let's offer support or help, 'di ba? Show kindness, 'di ba? We have to take a moment to appreciate the good things in our life, 'di ba? By practicing gratitude, um, ano pa ba ang pupuwede nating, ano pa ba puwede mong gawin sa araw na 'to?
Kahit sa
Yes, spread
pagluluto,
positivity,
kahit
'di
sa
ba?
pagluluto,
Oo,
mahal, 'di ba?
yes.
First time mo
Hmm,
magluto ng carbonara
mm,
or ganyan. First time mo magluto
mm,
ng menudo. First time mo magluto ng pork and
mm.
beans. Ayan.
Talagang ano 'yan, pork and beans na 'yan,
Shout
ah.
out to Queen
Ah,
Bratanella.
oo, Queen Brat baka naman. Baka naman mabahaginan kami ng masarap mong pork and beans,
Ayan.
'yan.
Yan. So, mga
Oo, mm,
first mong gagawin. No? First time mo
mm,
magpaspa or first time mo
mm,
sumuot ng ganitong damit. Ganyan.
oo,
You know, something first time mo mapakulay ng buhok. Anything that's first
oo,
a significant
first time,
change in
oo,
yourself or first
mm,
time mo na i-treat ba yung mom mo into spa ba? First time mo i-treat yung
yeah.
mom mo into this restaurant? First
Anything
time you
na hindi
will
usual,
out of the routine or out of the
mm,
usual. Kumbaga, do
mm,
something unusual for today that can help
yeah,
you build a good relationship with not just yourself,
mm,
the people
mm,
around you. Then, yan.
mm,
So,
'yan,
yan. So, for others naman,
mm,
mahal, today, for them, they make it a significant one by celebrating the birthdays of their idols and the people who
'yan,
inspires them.
oo,
And for these celebrities also, and there's inspirational coaches who are celebrating their birthday today. So, we will just mention a few and talk about them in a bit. No, so today
mm.
it's Rihanna's birthday, no? The one who sang Diamonds, Umbrella, ayan.
I like
Tapos,
diamond.
shine like
Sintonado,
a diamond, ganun.
ayun,
Tapos yung, si Mr. Charles Barkley used to be a famous
'yan.
basketball player. Now, ano na
NBA,
nga siya
yeah,
ngayon?
legendary. Yeah, he's a legendary, basketball player
And
and
now
ngayon,
he's
part na siya ng
ano yun, basketball,
sports,
sports analyst.
commentator
Commentator,
or
yeah,
sports
that's the
analyst,
term. Yeah.
yeah, mm,
Tapos, we also have John Maxwell, who's also a famous leadership author and
mm,
motivational speaker. And we also
mm,
have Kurt Cobain, the famous one behind
'yan,
Nirvana, the lead vocalist of Nirvana,
'yan,
who was
'yan.
behind Heart-Shaped Box, ano pa ba yun? Lithium, Smells Like
All
Teen
apologies.
Spirit, All Apologies,
The man who
and
sold the
Man Who
world,
Sold the
'yan.
World.
Only, Rape Me, ang dami niyan.
Oh, yeah. Sobrang sikat ng batang to. So, siya yung pinakabata who's sadly lost his life when he was, ano edad niya, mahal? 27? Ba yun?
27,
No?
yep,
Yeah. So,
he's just
let's try
27
to
years old.
um, commemorate him by talking about yung famous lyrics niya and what it meant. Yan. So, let's start
Mhm,
off with dun sa heart-shaped box niya. Along with the lyrics of
Mm.
that, sabi niya, I've got a new complaint, forever in debt to your
Yeah.
priceless advice. Um, the meaning behind this is about the perils of being alive, the poetry of
Mm.
worry, and the purity of art. No, that's what
Mm.
the song is all about, yung heart-shaped box. Mm,
And ano rin yan, while acknowledging that they are grateful for the valuable advice na na-receive niya from someone, 'di ba?
mm-mm,
It may suggest, parang mix of negative feelings and appreciation towards yung same person or the same situation. Kasi sabi niya, "Hey, wait, I got a new complaint." Naku, wala. Sinabi ko lang yun para makakanta ako. Yun lang yun. Yun na pala purpose. Kaya
yan.
nag-comment.
Ganyan. So,
Yun.
another one also, yung sa, ano niya, all apologies, yan. Kantayin mo nga ito, mahal.
All apologies.
Ay,
All
hindi all
apologies
apologies,
or the man
the
who
man
told.
who sold, I'm sorry, the man who sold the world
Oh,
pala.
yeah, yeah. Anong gusto mong gawin
Sige,
natin yan?
kantayin mo.
Hindi yung kasing ano, The Man Who Sold the World. Originally, ang kumanta niyan at sumulat niyan is si David Bowie, di ba? Sabi nga eh, di ba, ano yung sabi niyan? Who knows, not me. Who knows, not me. He never lost control. Your face, your face, with the man who sold the world. Oh,
Yeah.
background pa. Hino pa. Kompleto yan.
Diba?
Oo. I mean, yung lyrics ng kanta. Wow.
Ayan.
Yung gano'n na. Uy, hanggang ganyan. Baka ma-discover ako. Marami na
Yeah.
akong ginagawa. Baka magkaroon ako ng panibagong career. Hindi nakakayanin. Loaded na.
Loaded na yung career, no? Yeah. So, dito, yung meaning behind this one, according to them, was it entails a sense of annoyance daw with himself for letting his world be rocked
Parang,
by
mm,
fame. Kasi nga
mm,
he
mm,
parang he allowed himself to be engulfed with this in the career niya, yung fame niya, na
mm,
wala na siyang private life.
mm,
And
mm,
ito actually, 'di ba, ang sumulat nito si David Bowie. So, David
mm,
Bowie writing this song, parang makikita natin na maybe David Bowie at the time,
mm,
medyo ano din siya, no? He was also overwhelmed with fame. It's just that he was able
mm,
to manage it lang. With Kurt Cobain, who was still young, siguro na feel niya yung pressure kasi sobrang sikat niya that time eh, no? Uh, for
mm,
shows here and there, wala na siyang private life, and then like everybody's like, parang siya siguro, everybody's looking up into him, and
mm,
everybody's so fan with this
mm,
yung ano niya, no, yung fond of yung mga songs niya. But how about him?
mm.
Who's taking care
Yeah,
of him? No, yun ang
yeah.
usually ng mga artist eh. Who's taking care of him? Can
Mm,
I just take a pause? I want to have a
mm,
vacation. I want to be all by myself.
mm,
I want to live a
mm,
private life kahit saglit lang. But he can't do that kasi nga sobrang sikat niya that time.
mm.
Yan.
And yung lyrics din yan, eh, parang not parang but it really suggests yung, sense of, uncertainty tsaka yung pagiging detached niya from reality,
Uncertainty.
di ba? Mm, yeah. Uh, Unsure siya sa ano maaaring mangyari and hmm, feels disconnected from sa tunay na daigdig, disconnected with the world.
Mm. Yan. Yan yung
Parang
kay
parang puwede rin yan natin i-relate for someone who has changed the world. Ah,
Mm.
it could refer to someone who has changed the world or sold out the world in some way.
Mm. Kasi up until now, yung mga
Okay.
songs niya di ba? Yung Smells Like Teen
Mm.
Spirit lang, it was played in the thousand rock bands.
Yeah.
Ang galing-galing And then, celebrated talaga siya, no? I'm sure today, maraming nagse-celebrate ng mga fans niya. May mga events na nangyayari just to celebrate his birthday.
Yung release ng kanyang Nevermind no 1991, diba, naka-call ng attention yun at naka-gain sa kanya yun ng international fame. And for your information, yung cover photo niya sa Nevermind, anak niya yun. Anak niya yun.
Mm,
I forgot the name. Anak niya yun.
okay.
Kasi there's also thing about Kurt Cobain na bata pa kasi siya, no. Ano na siya parang yung kanyang childhood hindi maganda eh. Kasi si Cobain had a turbulent childhood, di ba? Yung divorce ng parents niya and yung mga struggles niya sa family, di ba? So, lahat yun, nakakita siya ng parang solace pagdating sa music, di ba? Sa rock or punk rock, di ba? Kaya yun na naging daan din para ma-inspire siya tayo ng grupo na tinawag niya na Nirvana. And it was 1987, I guess. Yun.
So, it was only 4 years, yung ano niya. 4 years of fame.
Oh,
And then,
mm.
overwhelmed nga siya.
Kasi 1987 tapos
He died at 1991.
1994. Oo.
1994 siya namatay.
94, no 94, yeah, at the age
Okay.
of 37. And
Mm.
the manner of his death is hindi maganda cause suicide eh.
Mm.
It was declared suicide. I'm not quite sure if it's gunshot or OD. Hindi ko na matandaan yung story niya. But what thing na sure ako is nakita yung body niya sa bathtub. The reason nga is because of hindi niya nakayanan yung fame and meron siyang marital problem nun eh. Siguro
Mm.
nagpatong-patong na and he ended his life. And it's
Mm.
hanggang soon talaga, short-lived. 27 years old,
Bata pa.
marami ka pa magagawa niyan. Yeah,
Oh,
bata pa,
yeah.
marami ka pa
Sobrang
magagawa niyan.
bata pa niyan.
Mm,
Well,
yeah.
maybe, he's really famous and working, going around with the concerts, no?
Yeah.
When other 27 years old are
Yeah.
wala, bar hopping and partying.
Yeah.
And if they have family, they're
Mm.
enjoying their life with their family, which he cannot do.
Oo, playing with kids, 'di ba?
Yeah, dahil may anak siya. Siguro
Oo,
nagka-problema sila because of the quality time. Mm.
pupuwede din 'yun. And yung asawa niya si Courtney Love, I think
Mm.
is also a career woman.
Courtney Love is
Meron din yata
also,
siya sariling
singer din ba siya?
yeah, I guess
Diba
she's
she's
also
also a
a
singer?
singer or
Mm.
actress yata. I don't know if actress or singer. I
Mm.
forgot the history. The
Mm.
story of their affair or their love
Kasi itong
affair.
Heart-Shaped Box, patungkol, ito ba yung song na patungkol kay Courtney?
Yeah, yeah.
Diba? Mm.
Yeah.
Yan. So,
Alam ko it's about her.
mm. So we
Kasi if you're
also,
going to um,
sige.
if you're going to listen to the whole song, parang kung sa kanya. Inover ni Mike yan eh, ni Bro Mike eh, di ba?
Mm.
Yung Heart Shaped Box.
Mm.
Kasama yung wife niya and it's a good rendition. Yeah.
Mm. Yeah. So, apart from Kurt Cobain, we also have si Rihanna with her umbrella. Ayan. So, sabi niya,
Allah, Allah.
dun sa ano niya, yun sa lyrics of her song, you can stand under my umbrella. So, dito kasi
Hindi,
pinapakita niya na her umbrella it symbolizes protection. So, the rain represents
mm,
the challenges we face in life. And yun
mm,
nga, with you you standing in under my umbrella means you are under
Under
my
my umbrella,
protection.
oo.
Yeah.
Oo.
Meron pa siyang diamonds, 'di ba, na song, Shine Like a Diamond, Shine
Yeah.
Bright Like a Diamond. So,
Yun nga, kantay mo nga.
it empowers
Parang hindi
us
ko alam yun,
to,
eh. Ano ba yung kanta na yun?
huh?
Paano ba yun? Paano ba yun?
Shine bright like a diamond.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Yan, hindi ko alam lyrics eh.
Halika na, tapusin na natin to.
Sige, ikaw muna, kantahin mo muna. Ang diamond. Ano nga ba yung ang diamond? Sikat siya dito eh. Nasa song
Ewan
na
ko.
to eh. She's very
Yeah.
famous with
Mm.
this song.
Mm.
Si Rihanna, sino bang husband ni Rihanna? Si ano, di ba?
Ah,
Sino nga
hindi
ba
ko alam.
yun?
Hindi ko alam eh. Sorry. Ay,
Ito pala is written by
Mon-
Sia yung Diamond. Ayan.
hindi ko na sabihin si ano eh.
Hmm.
Yung nga pala si Bobby Brown na asawa nga pala ni
pala yung
Whitney.
asawa niya, si Jay-Z.
Munti ko na masabing Bobby Brown. Magagalit si Whitney.
Bobby Brown? Sino ba? Iba
Oo.
yata si Bobby Brown.
Whitney yun. Asawa ni
Whitney.
Whitney. Houston. Yeah.
Kanta niya, oh. Find light in the beautiful sea. I chose to be happy. You and I, we're like diamonds in the sky. So, sabi niya dito, di ba? Beautiful sea. I chose to be happy. Ayan. Kasi we're like diamonds in the sky. So, yan, it's a positive. Ano naman to sa kanya? Something positive naman din.
Yeah.
Yan. So, another one who's celebrating their birthday is John Maxwell. Yan. Si John Maxwell, daming books nito. Yung mga books niya is all about leadership and influence.
Leadership, yeah. And speaker din siya, di ba?
Motivational
Motivational
speaker.
or motivational speaker din siya.
Motivational speaker. Yeah. So, daming books
From,
niya.
yung influential work niya is sa field ng personal development, di ba? Tsaka leadership.
Yeah, yung mga 21 irrefutable laws of leadership, yung mga failing forward, yung mga 17 laws of teamwork, today matters, how successful people grow, yung 101 leadership 101, attitude 101,
Yeah.
yung most success is a choice, mostly motivational, no? Positive thinking, no limits, change your world, make today count, how successfully people lead, yung mga ganon, the winning attitude, the loss of process, the loss of leadership, and there's a lot more. So, yun ang mga books niya. And one of his books, he says, leadership is influence, nothing more, nothing less. A leader knows the way, goes the way, and shows the way. Totoo naman, no? Leaders are supposed to guide. They are the forefront dun sa team nila, no? Hindi sila utos ng utos. No, they don't just give like gagawin, but they show it and they guide them. It's more of influencing the people under them, no, to motivate them to do things, no, in their own way, that they, kumbaga, they grow, no, they grow on their own way. Hindi lang siya palagi yung bida, and the people behind him are working so hard, and hindi naman niya ina-acknowledge or ina-appreciate, no. He's supposed to let them shine as the leader, kasi nga he's the one influencing them, no. And we appreciate more and we acknowledge leaders who let the people behind him or her nagsha-shine. Makita mo yung magagaling leader talaga, yung mga those under her yun ang napopromote kasi they did something, na-awardan, na-acknowledge, or
they're enhancing their craft kasi.
Yeah, na-enhance,
Ina-enhance
na-improve.
yung craft nila yan.
These are good leaders who are producers of good leaders as well.
And good leaders are positive thinkers. Ah,
Yan.
lagi sila din sa kahit na sabihin mo may problema, they always think of a win-win solution.
Mm.
That's part of good leadership. Yeah.
Yeah. So, yan si John Maxwell who's also celebrating his birthday today. And another one,
Happy birthday! Yeah.
yeah, and then another one is celebrating his birthday, yung si famous na Charles Barkley.
Actually, he's called Sir Charles eh. I mean, I don't, parang nagkaroon siya ng, I forgot kasi yung history niya, but sa NBA, he is called Sir Charles. Parang, ganun, parang highest accolade sa kanya.
Talaga.
Si Charles Barkley, he was born, yung nga, birthday nga niya ngayon, di ba? Sa Alabama. From Leeds, Alabama, di ba? As we all know, he's already a retired professional basketball player, no? He's also a television personality and hindi lang pala yun. He's also a philanthropist. Marami siyang tinutulungan. Marami siyang I don't know if he have a foundation pero as far as I'm concerned, marami siya natutulungan in terms of basketball. Yan, yung mga gusto, yung mga may ambition na mag-basketball and all of the stuff, no. He played ano bang position niya? Power forward kasi ang height niya is 6'6" eh. So medyo matangkad siya sa akin ng 4 inches, no. And ang laki pa ng katawan niyan kaya
Kalbo din
pag
siya.
bumangga ka diyan, 'di ba? Ang bumangga, 'di ba? Yan talaga.
So he's also
Ah,
is known pala mahal
siya
as Sir Charles Chuck or the round mound of
mm.
rebound.
Yan. The round mound of rebound kasi malakas talaga siya sa bola. Considering his height and his heft, 'di ba? Madali siya makakuha ng bola, madali siya kuha ng rebound. Actually, ang kanyang ano, ang kanyang nemesis diyan is si ano the midman. The midman. Kilala mo kung sino 'yon? Si Karl Malone
Si
ng
Karl
Utah
Malone,
Jazz.
yeah.
Yan. Yeah. Oy, si Karl Malone is siya bang half Filipino
Scottie Pippen.
or yung
Di ba si Scottie Pippen?
yung wife niya is I really don't know, pero alam ko, siya yata ang may Filipino blood eh. Si Karl Malone
Kaano
or
pala niya, ka-batch pala
his wife.
nito ni Barkley,
Kasi
si
ano siya,
si Shaq O'Neal, si Larry Bird,
si
Scottie
Shaq,
Pippen, si
si
Patrick Ewing,
Michael Jordan,
Michael Jordan,
si
Karl Malone,
Jordan, yeah.
si
And si
Hakim.
Hakim Olajuwon, yeah. Yan naging ka-teammate yan
Sila
sa ano
pala
sa
to. Yeah, I
sila
remember
yung
him
ano eh
now.
sa what do you call this? Houston Rocket.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Houston Rockets.
Si Hakim Olajuwon. Yeah.
Yeah.
So ko rin yan, favorite ko rin
Na
yan.
ano
I was
siya,
13 years old.
nag-end
Yeah.
career niya dahil na-ruptured pala yung tendon niya sa knee. Yung final game nila sa Philadelphia.
Yeah.
Kaya he stopped.
Pero marami rin siya. Naging MVP yan. He became MVP si Charles Barkley. And aside from playing basketball, naging ano din yan, naging product endorser din yan ng Nike. Yan. The first product endorser na Nike was Michael Jordan. If you remember, yung lahat is going crazy din sa release ng Air Jordan. It was released 1985 yata yun. Yeah, yun yung iconic advertisement debut ng Air Jordan was 1985. And after that, no, nagkaroon ng partnership nga si Michael Jordan sa Nike, but after Michael Jordan, then came yung commercial naman, endorsement naman ni Charles Barkley na Nike. Kaya nga, meron nung ano na basketball by Barkley, shoes by Nike. Was 1990s yan, 1990s. Yan, naging sponsor niya ang Nike.
Sir Charles siya because he was well respected pala.
He's a gentle giant.
Inspiring play demanded full respect. Kasi kasi magaling siya talaga sa defensive eh.
Sorry, I'd like to make myself corrected, no? Si Charles Barkley pala, hindi siya nanalo ng any NBA championship during nung time na siya yung naglalaro.
Mm.
Kahit na sabihin pa na naging ano siya,
Sa finals lang kasi
MVP.
siya
No?
nakapasok eh.
Oo.
Mm.
Laging kapos yung kanyang team in winning the championship kahit
Mm.
yung 1993, yeah. Yung pagpasok sa championship ng Houston Rockets yata yun. It was the Islas or it Houston, I forgot na. Basta hindi nag-champion eh, pero he became MVP. It
Mm.
was 1993. Sayang. Sabi nga what is MVP trophy kung hindi ka naman nanalo ng championship, di ba?
Pero nasali naman siya sa Hall of
Kasi
Famer.
hindi, yeah. Kasi ang MVP is just an individual recognition lang yan eh, syempre. Mas masarap talaga yung
Kasi
championship kasi
mga
it's a
kasamahan
team
din kasi
effort
niya
eh.
eh.
Oh,
Parang
kasi,
nakasama kasi niya yung mga magagaling din eh. No, and he's also good in his own ano naman din. He's called for such as a sir and around man but for some reason.
yan.
Yeah, hindi din basta-basta yun.
Ayan.
Yan, so yun nga, yung sa kanya, I'm not a role model just because I dunk a basketball doesn't mean I should raise your kids. Yan, yung mga quotes, famous quotes niya. Yan, kasi ito kasi siya, he's known for mga ano niya ba, yung mga quotes niya with mayroong mga hilarious ones eh. May mga funny din sa mga quotes niya, no? Pero minsan if you're oversensitive daw, hindi mo makukuha. Yeah. According to him kasi, kaya niya nasabi to, he argues that athletes should not be viewed as role models and it's not their responsibility to raise the children. Kasi nga, dahil not because they are famous and lahat na lang parang sabi ng parents na you should follow him and then the kids also should follow everything that their idol is doing, no? And minsan di ba may mga athletes din na may mga outbursts and baka mistakenly the kids will see it na okay lang pala ganyan, na how you will react in such a way, magalit ka, ganito pala yung gagawin mo, no? Yan.
Yeah.
May isa siyang
So,
sinabi
apat yan, no?
may isa siyang sinabi dito na ano eh, nakatawa, saan ba yun? I'm not trying to be the next Michael Jordan. I'm trying to be the first Charles Barkley. Yan. He's his own person. Na, sabi niya, I'm not paid to be a role model. I'm paid to wreak havoc on the basketball court. Yeah.
Yung kanyang mga
mga quotes niya, no?
I think he's also professionally nag-graduate yan ng college eh.
No, he didn't.
Just like
He didn't
Gary
graduate.
Payton. He didn't ba?
Hindi.
Okay.
He didn't graduate daw.
Okay.
I think
Okay.
ano lang siya.
Pero ayan.
Hindi siya nag-graduate pero sabi niya if he needs to he needs to study more and then he will enroll.
Further.
Yeah, pero hindi na kasi yung career niya tuloy-tuloy. After niya nag-retire from basketball, he became a commentator and a sports analyst.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, yan.
So, yan yung
those
ating
are our four
apat
famous
na.
celebrities. Actually, there are a lot pa eh. Si Cindy Crawford, who's also a very famous model.
Hindi, pero
before.
meron pang isa, Mahal. Ikakat na kita. Sorry for cutting you out. Pero meron pang isa na hindi mo na research. Babasahin ko sa iyo, ha? Yung sino to, ha? Mahulaan mo kung sino to and mahulaan nila kung sino to. Ito yung kanyang sorting you out. Alam ko, ayaw mo kinakat eh, pero baka kasi mawala sa isip ko eh. So, ito yung isa na hindi mo nasama. I know the reason baka hindi mo lang na-research. So, ito yun. Ito yung write-up about sa kanya. ito yun eh. As I sit down to end these words, I find myself overwhelmed with gratitude for having you in my life. Today, as actually tomorrow, as we celebrate another year of your existence, I want to take a moment to express just how deeply you touch my heart and soul. You are the cornerstone of our family, glue that holds us together through thick and thin. Your kindness, your honest love, and your unwavering understanding make you not just a wife, but a true superwoman in every sense of the word. In moments of darkness, when life seems to throw toughest challenges our way, we're always there, shining like a beacon of hope, reassuring me that everything will be alright. Your support knows no bounds. You stand by me, lifting me up with your unwavering faith in my dreams and my ambitions. Even amidst your busiest days, you never fail to shower our children with the warmth and tenderness only a mother can provide. Your love for them is guiding light, shaping their lives with every hug, every kiss, and every word of encouragement. But beyond all of this, you are my rock, my confidante, my best friend. With you by my side, I feel complete, or you possess remarkable ability to fill every crack in my heart with your boundless love. Tomorrow, on your special day, I want to thank you from the depths of my soul for being the incredible woman that you are. May your birthday be a reflection of the love and joy you bring into our lives each and every day. And as we journey through life together, hand in hand, I wish you all the best that this world has to offer. Happy birthday, Mahal. Happy birthday, my best. A day be filled with laughter, surrounded by the warmth of our family. And may the love we share continue to grow stronger with each passing moment. With all my love, now and forever, ang Temyong, also known as
Naks.
Vince. And nagulat ka, no?
Naks. Thank you
Kaya
for
ganyan
watching
ako
late
kapushi
nights.
na
Late nights. So,
ayun,
ay, hindi pala late nights to.
umiiyak na siya. Umiiyak na siya. Umiiyak na siya.
Makulit ka. Thank you, mahal. So
Actually,
touching
it's not
naman.
wala. It's not na wala siya sa mood mag live for today, but it's just I know she's not feeling well. And alam naman niya na pag alam ko na she's not feeling well, I keep on telling her na, okay, pass muna tayo. Next ano na lang. But this morning, talagang very pushy ako. I feel nga na parang annoying na ako sa kanya eh, dahil ilang beses na nakat yung live, di ba? Ilang beses na nakat yung live namin. But still sabi ko, sige, try pa rin natin yan. Mag-live pa rin tayo. And then, nakakat pa rin. And then, finally, I told her, sige, i-record na lang natin, tapos upload mo na lang. I don't know if she feels annoyed or naiinis siya, pinagbigyan lang niya ako. Pero hindi niya kasi alam. Kaya ako ganun ka-pushy kasi gusto kong basahin sa kanya yung letters from my heart. I mean, from
Naks.
my heart.
So,
Yan.
yan yung,
Kaya kagabi,
so yan yung
actually
significant.
kagabi,
Ikaw.
kagabi, hindi ko siya pinapansin. Ilang beses niya ako, ano ba, hindi ka pa bang matutulog? Sandali na lang to. Ano, matulog na siya. Kaya pagising nga, gising ka pa, hindi ka pa natutulog. Mamaya na, sabi ko matutulog na ako. Hindi niya alam. Ginagawa ko yung sulat. Yun. So, I know,
Love you,
tomorrow pa kasi ang birthday niya
mahal.
and tomorrow pa kasi yung birthday niya, eh, wala naman kami live tomorrow. So, yan, in advance, happy birthday, mahal. Yan. Love you. The moon and back.
mahal.
Yan.
Thank you.
Ano siya, sabihin nila Kurt Cobain, nila Rihanna, nila Charles Barkley, at ni Dan Maxwell sa'yo.
Makalit ka. Thank
Yan.
you.
Alam ko nung kinat ko siya, knowing her expression, galit yan. Pero, pinilit ko lang. Naiinis yan. Pero pinilit ko pa rin. Kasi hindi yan totoo. I'm planning to yung letter sa umpisa. Sabi ko, "Ay corny, walang excitement." Sabi ko 'pag binasa na lang niya yung mga magbi-birthday, yan para naka-line up na, mas maganda, 'di ba? Mas maganda ang banat niya.
Naks, thank you,
Yan,
mahal.
yan. Yee!
Yan. So, yan. Nalito ako sa
Yan.
light. Akala ko late nights to.
Ayan.
Ayan. So, yan, no. So, yun yung significant na gagawin mo
Iiyak na yan.
today.
Iiyak na yan.
Makalit
Iiyak na
ka.
yan.
Yan. So, that's, yan,
Hindi
appreciated.
ako magsalita. Hindi ako
Yeah,
magsalita.
your words of acknowledgement is appreciated. Salamat, mahal. Ayan. Bukas pa naman yung birthday ko. Ayan.
Wala kasi tayong live.
Yeah. So, ano naman,
Wala kasi
your
tayong
birthday
live.
is time passing another year of your existence. And yan,
Ayan.
make every day worthwhile, no? Because we should be thankful that we have passed on to another year of our life, another chance to not just serve the Lord, but another chance also to, serve our purpose. No? Yan. Yan. So, yun yung mga ano natin for today. So, I hope we've inspired you. Nax inspired you. So, one word before we go lang, one piece of advice before we go. Right after, viewing this, try to think of something na gagawin nyo today that will be first nyo pang gagawin, no? To make this day a significant one naman. That you will be, that will be remembered for the rest of your life, no? So, anything, kahit maliit na bagay, basta first time mong gagawin, no? It's something significant na siya. That's how we will grow doing something that's first pa natin gagawin every day, that will make us grow as a person. Yan. So, yan. Yun ba, mahal, yung ginawa mong something significant today? It's a first, no? Because it's
Oo.
first, you reading, hindi, nagawa mo na yun eh. You read a letter for me and during live, but I guess it's the first na ang pinapatungkulan mo naman ay yung aking birthday. Ayan. At dahil dyan, may
Yan.
plus points ka.
Oo.
May plus
Yan,
points
sabi ko.
ka.
Yan. Nasabi ko na, mas halika na, tapusin na natin ito, dali.
Ayan. Makulit ka. So, yan. Thank you for joining us this morning and we hope, ikaw, mahal, wala ka
Yeah.
ba nang sasabihin?
Always remember creating a significant day is about purposefully aligning your actions with your values and aspiration, fostering connections, and embracing opportunities for growth and gratitude, diba? Prioritizing meaningful tasks, helping others, and reflecting on your experiences, you can turn each day into a stepping stone towards a more fulfilling life. Yan.
Ayan.
Lang.
So, yan. Join us again
Happy
on
birthday,
Thursday.
mahal.
Thank you,
Yee!
mahal. So, join us again on
Yeah.
Thursday for another episode of Mornings with Vince and Ira. And also, we'd like to promote the Discourse Digest with Mang Temyong and I am Shan Wayne. This is every Sunday, no, mahal? Every Sunday at 9 p.m.
Yeah.
This is the only show that will make you listen today, and you will realize that you will end up still listening tomorrow.
No,
Yeah.
this is a program or LS na will guide you and will educate us about the importance of knowing our rights, knowing the laws of this land. Yan. Para hindi tayo maguluhan, para hindi tayo malito, para hindi tayo magrabyado. Yan. We are not professional lawyers. We are not lawyers here. We are just students, and what we're imparting you is a part of our learnings. We would like to share it to you. Kung ano lang po yung natutunan namin sa law school, hindi po yung aming ibinabahagi sa inyo.
Ayan. So, yan. And soon we will resume our late nights with Vince and Ira. This is every Friday. Wala na po yung Sunday. It will be replaced by the Digest Discourse, but probably on Friday, no? So, we're just trying to fix our kanya-kanyang schedules and
Schedule. Yep.
yung format of the show. And we will resume
Mhm.
soon. Ayan. And then our mornings,
Yan.
hindi na to Monday to Friday, but this is already every Tuesday and Thursday at in the morning. So thank you again. And for those, we are starting to accept again yung mga, if you have stories or you want to share your personal dilemmas, or if you want to seek advice from us, no, feel free to send your letters to Mornings with Vince and Ira, FB Messenger, or email us at radiantlifeinsight@gmail.com so that we can feature it during our late nights show.
Yeah.
Ayan. So, and thank you again for joining us this morning, and don't forget to always put God first in everything that you do.
And always pray, and may God bless us all. Have a nice day ahead. Stay happy, stay productive. Take care always. Bye.
Bye.